Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers, in the previous videos, I had informed you that Tigray Defense Force has gained control over Kombolcha, Haragobia, and Chiobar in Amhara region. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are currently present in the surrounding areas of Valdia city, Amhara region. While several Tigray sources have been claimed that Tigray Defense Force soldiers entered in Valdia city. But now, according to many reliable sources, it has been said that there is a heavy war going on A2 highway between Valdia and Desai. And this fight is taking place between Tigray Defense Force and local militias. And as I inform you, Tigray Defense Force is reportedly moving towards Desai, and now reportedly fighting is going on at Marsa location near Desai. And there are reports of heavy killings and injuries in this fight. And it is being said that by many sources, the injured are being transferred to Desai hospitals. Viewers, I have already informed you that according to reports, Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers have escaped from these areas. And now there are local militias present in these areas that are preventing Tigray Defense Force from moving forward. And many reports received that local militias has very few weapons. As can be seen in pictures, mostly people have sticks, and most of them did not get army training. According to journalists, if local militias compete against Tigray Defense Force, there is a risk of many casualties. Because now latest reports is that according to many reliable sources, heavy war going on between local militias and Tigray Defense Force between the areas of Valdia and Desai, especially at Marsa on A2 highway. And reportedly so far, many people injured in this war and they have transferred to Desai hospital. So viewers, so far this is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.